Blessings, everybody. Welcome to We Tarry Until He Comes Homestead. Sister Marcel here. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. Today's video is going to be something different for me. I'm going to be making black garlic. If you don't know about black garlic, I'll have a link in the description box that'll tell you all about it. I want to try it for myself, and I've seen so many different methods that you can do on your own. And so the method I'm going to try is in a crock pot. So I have my crock pot here, and I'm gonna fill this up with garlic, and this is gonna go in my garage because they said after a few days you will smell a very large smell of garlic, which I don't mind the way garlic smells, but I don't know how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna have this crock pot in my garage, and all you have to do is keep it on the keep warm setting. So, and what I like about this crock pot is that it has the little seal to seal it closed, so that's a good thing too. Maybe that'll help seal in the smell, and maybe, you know, maybe if I can plug up that or something, I don't know, but we're gonna try it. I'm a little under the weather, but that's okay. This is going to take about 2 to 3 weeks, so I want to go ahead and start it now. And so, following directions, it says wrap each garlic. It doesn't matter what kind of garlic you use. They said it's good to use the ones with the purple, but I found that they said it really doesn't matter what kind of garlic it is. So I have some garlic here that I have purchased from the store because what I grew this season is gone already. So that's why I'm planting lots of garlic for this coming up season. So we're gonna wrap each bulb up. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 bulbs here. I'm probably not gonna do that much, but we're just gonna see because I don't want to overload the crock pot because it may take 14 days, but they said it'll take about 3 weeks. So we're gonna see. Then you wrap that plastic wrapped garlic into foil wrap and then place it in there. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we got 15 bulbs. So now we have to wrap each individual bulb into foil. So you don't need to watch that. We're just gonna do a little bit of video magic and then you'll see it. See? All done. So now we're going to set them in the crock pot. Let's see if I can get them all in. They're all gonna probably be on top of each other. And then probably after about 10 days, I'll rotate what's on top down to the bottom. And then also, I think I'm going to cover my lid area with foil as well. Just like that. Making sure I'm not covering where you clench it. And then we're gonna add my lid on here. Get it in there nice and snug. And we're gonna clamp it closed. It clamps on both sides. Okay. And so it is on there now. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it up in my garage. And I'm going to, let me show you. And I'm going to put it on the keep warm and go from there. So that's about it. So the next clip you'll see is when it's all done 2 to 3 weeks later, and we'll see how this turns out. I'll probably come back in about 10 days to rotate. So today is November 12th, and so we'll be back in 10 days. So on the 22nd, I'll be back and I'll show you guys the rotation, and I might take a little peek to see if there's a difference, and I'll tell you how the smell goes and just an overall review on how to do it with the crock pot. instead of going out your way buying some type of device, you can use what you already have at home. You can also use an Instapot, you can use a rice cooker, you could do a dehydrator. If you have any of those devices, you can use those too, and there's YouTube videos to show you. But I saw one done in a crock pot, and that's something I have already, and the person covered it with foil just to help with the humidity and everything, and just kept it on warm for about 2 to 3 weeks. So 10 days, I'll be back. Blessings, everyone. So we are back, and instead of 10 days later, it is 12 days later. So I am in my garage, and so just want to let you know, the first couple of days, the garlic smell is very, very potent. So definitely have it outside, in your garage somewhere. It's very, very strong. But now, given that it's been 12 days later, we did this on the 12th of November, and today is the 23rd. So it's been about, no, today is the 24th. So it's been about 12 days instead of 10 days, okay? So as you can see, it's a lot of condensation here. I think doing it in a crock pot is better because you don't have to worry about, if you have a crock pot like I do, the keep warm setting stays on. You have to cut it off on your own. There's no like it cuts off within 24 hours or anything. So definitely I would recommend the crock pot way to make the black garlic. But so let's open it up here. So like I said, the first couple of days, the garlic smell is really, really strong, but now you can barely even smell it. So there's a lot of condensation. I can smell the garlic smell a little more. Let's take this off. Oh, I can smell the garlic smell even more. This might be done. I don't know. So what I was coming in for is to rotate. So take the ones at the bottom to bring them to the top, and the bottom and the top to the bottom. But I'm gonna test one, and I'm gonna test the ones that's at the very bottom before I actually do a rotation, because they might be ready. Let's see. Oh, I think we're here. At least the bottom ones. So, can you guys see that? It is black. So I'm gonna take this one in. And they might be already all done. And that was only 12 days. So maybe I'll check one on the top. So for sure the ones at the bottom are done. Let me check one that's on top, because they might need a little more time. They said 14 days, 14 to 21 days, but it might be less time. This looks black. This actually looks black. This might be ready. This, it's soft, it's ready. All right, so I brought it in, the one that I tested. I think it's ready, so we're gonna cut it. It's soft. It is a little still brown a little bit. But as you can see, it is black. A little brown. What do you think? Think it's black a little bit? But it's soft. You wanna taste it? We're gonna take a little taste. I thought it was gonna like picture perfect like I see in the video, so it don't look picture perfect. But it is soft, like a butter. Go ahead and try it. Is it sweet? It's sweet. I want to try a different one. Okay, here's a different one that I pulled the foil off. Okay, so I got a better knife. Let's see, can we get a better cut? It's so soft though, so that's why I can't get a good cut because it's so soft. It's like, it just broke open. Okay. So there it is. Black garlic. Where's my camera? Right here. So what I'm gonna do is, this did go faster than what is normally said to, and I think it's because I wrapped it in plastic. So I'm gonna do another batch, and this time I'm not going to wrap it in plastic. I'm just gonna do straight foil and see if that makes a big difference. So this time what I'm gonna do is not wrap them in plastic wrap. So I got some garlic here, and I got this garlic from Azure Standard. I'll have a link down below if you're interested in ordering from Azure Standard. It's a good co-op. And so I got a 5-pound bag of garlic here. And so I'm gonna just go ahead and wrap it up in foil and put them back in. And these are nice sized garlic. I'm probably not gonna do as many as I did before. Some of these are really nice. So I'm just gonna make sure none of garlic exposed. They got some nice garlics. Look at these. Really nice garlics. So if you're interested in getting bulk garlic, you can get it from Azure Standard. Link is in the description. So we're just gonna wrap. Let's see, how many should I do? I don't know if I'm gonna do this one. Maybe. Yeah, I'll wrap it. We have 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm gonna do 10, and we'll see how that goes. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. And there you have it. So now we're going to go ahead and put it back in the crock pot. And this time I'm not going to cover it with foil either, because there was a lot of condensation on the lid. So I'm thinking, I do have my bottom. I used to have a really clean bottom, but since I did the garlic, it's a little stuff at the bottom. So I do have some little bamboo sticks that I'm gonna put at the bottom so the garlic don't have to sit actually at the bottom. As you can see, it's just not much. It's enough so it won't touch the bottom. I could put a little bit more in here, but I don't feel like cutting anymore. So I'm putting it back in the crock pot here with the lid. This time I'm not going to put any foil over the lid and seal it up. And so I'm gonna put it back where I had it in the garage. So this time I'm gonna check it after 7 days and see how it looks, okay? Well, actually no, we'll try it after 10 days. Let's do at least 10 days. So today is the 24th, and so we're gonna try in 10 more days and see what it looks like. So here we are for round 2. All right, blessings everyone. So I am back. It has been about 14 days since we put the garlic in, trying a different way. Remember, not wrapping it in plastic. Woo, that garlic smell is strong. It is strong. So we're gonna see if it's done anything. Here it is here. My husband already tried to open up one. I said, wait. So let's go. I'm gonna take one out. Put that to the side. So it's been 14 days. So I put this in on the 24th of November, and today is what, the 7th? So it's been about 14 days, and I did it differently. I just wrapped it in the foil and not the plastic. So let's see. That looks good. That looks promising. So yeah, so let's cut it. It is really soft. That's what I'm looking for. Look at that. Look at that. Black garlic. So I think it's done. Okay. So I would definitely recommend a crock pot and keep it on the keep warm setting. I'm gonna try it, you guys. I'm going to try it. They said it's so good for you. Look up the benefits of black garlic. You're gonna see all the good things that it's good for. It's really soft. So let's try it. That actually tastes really good. And this tastes a lot different than the first one I did. The other one kind of tasted a little bit burnt. This one is a lot better. Mix this with some butter. That tastes really good. Put it on some toast. So there you have it, you guys. You can make your own black garlic by using a crock pot. Of course, I'm gonna have to do some cleaning in the crock pot. And I do suggest putting something like bamboo sticks or something. Like the sticks actually really helped. So just a couple of them did hit the bottom. But yeah, let's open up another one. I love it. This is what I was looking for in the last time. Like I wanted to get that nice look like that I see on everybody else's video. So that's cool. Let's check this one here. My husband said put another load in. So this one looks a little bit burnt though. And this the one that was actually touching the bottom. This was touch. So yeah, let's try a different one that was not touching the bottom. That kind of looked burnt, y'all. So I kind of forgot about it because the smell kind of dissipated. And to be honest, I kind of forgot about it. So it probably was done a few days, like less than 14 days ago. All right, here's another one. Let's give it that signature cut. There you have it. Okay. So I'm gonna take all these out. I know the ones that touch the bottom, like this one touched the bottom. Let me see, is it black? Yep, it's black. It's super black right here. That's exactly, so make sure that it cannot touch the bottom because it will do that. See, one side touched the bottom and the other side didn't. So definitely make sure this didn't really touch the bottom. So there you have it. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely do this again. I'm gonna try to get something else I can put down at the bottom. But the sticks worked. They look a little bit cooked now. So I'm probably just gonna put a little bit more sticks in here because the pot itself, let me show y'all. This is what it's looking like inside. So I'm gonna give this a good cleaning and then I'm gonna cut some more sticks up and put at the bottom. But yeah, there you have it. Black garlic, you can make it too. So here's a better view. Look at that, like butter. Black garlic, y'all. And it tastes really good. Like I said, it don't taste burnt like the last one did. The last batch, it tasted burnt because it was all black like that. We don't want that. We want it to still have its like papery outside, just the color change. So look at that. Don't that look good? So look up the benefits. I'll probably put some in the description box and you could try black garlic for yourself. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Shalom.